Before I end the video and show you guys the final results, I just want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for supporting Micah and I as a couple and as individuals. I really appreciate everything y'all do for us on a daily, the likes, the comments, the shares, everything in between. If you guys want to see more makeup videos, make sure to like this, comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in another video very, very soon. If you guys want details on this look, it is always on my TikTok at Micah&Shawna093, and I'll also start posting some details on my Instagram as well at Micah&Shawna093. Alright, bye guys, and love you, and see you in the next video.